Good evening and welcome to Tech Tonight, your definitive source for the most impactful developments shaping our digital world. I'm your host, and tonight we're diving deep into the seismic shifts occurring across artificial intelligence, global infrastructure, and the very fabric of media distribution. Our lead story tonight takes us straight into the heart of generative AI, a field that continues to redefine the boundaries of creativity and computation. The recent breakthroughs in text-to-video models, exemplified by platforms like OpenAI's Sora and Google's Lumiere, are nothing short of revolutionary. These sophisticated systems are now capable of generating incredibly realistic, high-fidelity video clips from simple text prompts, complete with complex camera movements, intricate character interactions, and nuanced environmental details. We're talking about the ability to conjure entire scenes, from a bustling city street at dusk to a serene underwater ecosystem, all with unprecedented photorealism and temporal consistency. However, as with all powerful technologies, this rapid advancement brings with it a complex web of ethical considerations. The potential for misuse, particularly in the creation of highly convincing deepfakes for misinformation campaigns or malicious intent, is a pressing concern that demands immediate and thoughtful attention from policymakers, developers, and the public alike. Furthermore, the implications for intellectual property rights and the future of creative industries are profound. How do we protect original works when AI can synthesize new content so effortlessly? What does this mean for the livelihoods of artists, animators, and filmmakers? These are not hypothetical questions, but urgent challenges that require robust frameworks for accountability, transparency, and responsible development to ensure that these incredible tools serve humanity's best interests rather than becoming instruments of disruption and deception. The industry is grappling with these questions, and the answers will shape the very future of digital content creation. Moving from the dazzling applications of AI to the foundational bedrock that supports them, our second segment focuses on the relentless expansion of silicon infrastructure and the global race for custom AI chips. The insatiable demand for generative AI models, with their colossal computational requirements, is driving an unprecedented investment in specialized hardware. Traditional general-purpose CPUs are simply no match for the parallel processing needs of deep learning algorithms. This has propelled graphics processing units, or GPUs, to the forefront, with companies like NVIDIA dominating the market. Yet, the landscape is rapidly evolving. Hyperscale cloud providers such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are heavily investing in designing their own application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs, like Google's TPUs and Amazon's Trainium and Inferentia chips. These custom silicon solutions are meticulously engineered to optimize performance and efficiency for their proprietary AI workloads, offering significant advantages in cost and power consumption at scale. This global data center expansion is not merely about building bigger facilities. It's about engineering highly efficient, resilient, and increasingly sustainable powerhouses of computation. We're seeing massive investments in liquid cooling technologies, renewable energy sources, and advanced power management systems to mitigate the immense energy footprint of these operations. The geopolitical implications are also significant, as nations vie for supremacy in semiconductor manufacturing and AI chip design, recognizing them as critical components of national security and economic competitiveness. The supply chain for these advanced chips is incredibly complex and concentrated, making it a focal point for international trade and technological policy. The sheer scale of this infrastructure build-out underscores the long-term commitment to AI as a transformative force, requiring a constant push at the very edge of materials science and electrical engineering. Shifting gears, let's turn our attention to how these technological currents are reshaping the very landscape of media consumption and distribution. The traditional broadcast model is undergoing a profound metamorphosis, giving way to increasingly sophisticated hybrid streaming models. We're witnessing a convergence where linear television, once the undisputed king, is now seamlessly integrated with on-demand content, live events, and interactive experiences, all delivered over IP networks. Major broadcasters and content creators are strategically embracing ad-supported tiers, recognizing the need to diversify revenue streams and cater to a broader audience seeking more affordable access to premium content. This isn't just about offering a cheaper option. It's about leveraging advanced data analytics to deliver highly personalized advertising, enhancing viewer engagement and advertiser ROI. The backbone of this evolving media ecosystem is robust, high-capacity fiber optic distribution. The demand for ultra-high-definition content, immersive virtual reality experiences, and low-latency live sports broadcast necessitates an infrastructure capable of handling immense bandwidth with unparalleled reliability. Broadcast fiber distribution is no longer just about connecting studios. It's about extending that high-quality, secure, and resilient pipeline directly to regional distribution hubs, data centers, and ultimately, to the end-user's device. This shift requires significant investment in upgrading existing networks and deploying new fiber infrastructure globally. It also means a fundamental rethinking of content delivery architectures, moving towards more distributed, edge-based processing to minimize latency and ensure a consistent, high-quality viewing experience regardless of geographical location. The future of media is undoubtedly digital, distributed, and deeply reliant on the invisible highways of light that carry our stories. As we wrap up tonight's broadcast, it's clear that the threads of generative AI, silicon infrastructure, and the evolving media landscape are intricately woven together, each influencing and accelerating the others. From the ethical dilemmas posed by hyper-realistic AI-generated content to the colossal data centers powering these innovations, and the fiber optic networks delivering them to our screens, we are living through an era of unprecedented technological transformation. The pace of change is relentless, and understanding these interconnected developments is crucial for navigating the future. We've only scratched the surface of these complex topics tonight, and there's always more to explore. For deeper insights and continuous updates on these groundbreaking trends, make sure to subscribe to Tech Tonight, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Join our community in the comments below to share your thoughts on tonight's discussions. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you more essential tech news next time. Good night.